Are you interested in flying radio-controlled helicopters but never tried it out? Do you think you can get started for $5 US? If you answered no, you are wrong. Are you interested? Please keep watching. Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels. I serendipitously discovered a Five Below store very close to my work. I'm on my lunch break and I'm going to go inside and pick up an RC helicopter. Let's see what kind of selections they have today. I don't know why, but I am intrigued and amazed by $5 RC helicopters because you are basically paying $5 to buy something that you can fly remotely, and that blows my mind. If I were a kid, I'll be extremely ecstatic to have something like this, but these did not exist at that time. Okay, I know there is an aisle on that side. They have more choices. And here we go. All the RC helicopters for just $5. Which one to pick? Oh, this color is kind of drawing me to it, and I don't have one of these models. Guess Force Flyer. Should I try the Force Flyer or Raptor Copter? That's also cute. Raptor Copter. Oh, so many choices. So many different colors. This is great. Well, why not buy both? Yeah, I'm going to get both and try them out. One blue and one orange. Good colors. Let's pay and leave. $10.63 with the tax. Amazing. Well folks, this only took me a couple minutes. Maybe with the driving, maybe 10 minutes. I still have time to review one of these. Well, I decided to review this Raptor Copter first. Let's do a quick unboxing. It's very basic and it reminds me of the red Thunder Copter that I recently reviewed with the other $5 2-channel toy grade RC helicopters. So here is the helicopter itself. The charge port is on the bottom. There's also a small on-off switch, so I just turned it on. There's already some battery juice, so it's blinking. Let's turn it off. I'm going to connect it to this handy dandy USB port. Here we go, and now it should be charging. And here is the very basic controller. I'm going to need a little screwdriver. I'll find that. Very familiar from the last ones. And here is the very small instruction manual. I've already flown these plenty of times, so I'm not going to read this. But it's a very basic package. And while I'm waiting for it to charge, I'm going to have my lunch. Okay, it's all charged up. Let's see how this $5 little buddy flies in a conference room. Let's turn on the little switch on the bottom. So there is a light blinking. And then let's turn on the controller. Here's the power button. Up, down. The lights stop blinking, so it is ready to go. Okay. Let's see how it flies. Okay, it definitely needs to be trimmed. It's rotating like crazy to the right, so let's give some left trim. And it is stable more or less. Maybe a little bit more trim. A little left. Very nice. I mean, look. It's not even getting too much affected by the air current, so it turns on a dime though. You have to be very gentle with the turns. it turns very quickly. I think this is kind of like on off. Let's see, is it on off? This is the okay, full turn. This is the full turn to the left and full turn to the right. Let's not get sucked into the, well, right turns a little quicker. Left turn is a little slower. And it's trying to find the middle a little bit. Yeah, definitely a right turn is quicker than left turn. So you have to kind of bump the turn lever, the right stick. And if you let go, does it have, yeah, depending on how much throttle you're applying, it may turn to the right or turn to the left. I think it's also something to do with the air current around. Yeah, the two-channel helicopters are not inherently too stable. You can make them a little more stable by putting a little bit of weight at the nose, but then they will start flying faster on you, which is not always ideal. I think it's a good speed. It still has a tendency to turn also to the right. So let me give you another left turn. Trim. Left trim. Oh, this is really good. This is amazingly good for a $5 RC helicopter. I mean, what a nice stocking stuffer. What a nice gift for a little kid or for an adult. I don't know why I'm so intrigued with these helicopters, but something is amazing about being able to buy for $5 a flying object that you control. I think I'm repeating myself, but again, I cannot get over it. How does a company design and manufacture these things and send it from China to the United States? A lot of logistics, a lot of packaging. Probably packaging costs more than the helicopter itself. And then a company like Five Below buy them in bulk and can sell them for $5 plus tax. How is that possible? What is next? Are they going to start giving these for free just for visiting the store or something? I'm not sure, but I mean, look how stable it is and how fun it is to fly. And look at the landing. Okay, it maybe drifted a little to the left and then fell on its side. Let's do a better landing. It deserves it. I mean, look, it's just, I'm passing it in front of me. It gives me confidence. I haven't crashed into the walls, into the chairs, into myself. I think the battery is getting low. So, okay, let's see now. I was almost full throttle, but again, couple minutes of flight on one charge, integrated battery. It's amazing, by the way. I forgot to tell you, this takes 3 AA batteries. That's good. I mean, very simple, right, left turn, up and down. This is the throttle, this is the power switch. This is nothing, this is a fake switch, but these are the trim buttons. Infrared control. It's perfect, and they come in different colors. So what else can I say? I love it. For the simplicity of it, I love it for what it is. $5 RC helicopter. So stay tuned for more helicopters from Five Below, XVB brand. And I like this brand. They come up with different designs, so there is never a dull moment, different colors. And I'll be just posting them because they are fun, they are inexpensive. Well, thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and healthy. Hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.